Social media was created to connect us, to share stories and inspire community. But somewhere along the way, connection turned into comparison. Behind every perfect photo is a story we don't see, the doubts, the challenges, the imperfect moments that make us human. When we compare our daily reality to someone else's highlight reel, confidence begins to fade. At Trickett Counseling, we hear this often. People start their day with a quick scroll and end up feeling less than enough before the morning even begins. But it doesn't have to be that way. Pause before you scroll. Curate your feed with authenticity, not perfection. Take breaks to reconnect with real life. And practice gratitude for your own journey. Your worth is not measured in likes or followers. It's found in your values, your actions, and how you show up every day. If social media leaves you feeling anxious or discouraged, you're not alone. Support is here. Your story is worth more than any post.